So here is my car. It's a 2004 Golf R32. It's HP8 built car with the FT565 DSG transmission. This car is a very, very beautiful car. Very fast, and it's just all around excellent looking car. So here's what HPA has done to it. It's a twin turbo, as you can see, and this has the FT565 performance upgrade, putting out 565 horsepower, 500 foot-pound of torque. It does 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. Pretty fast. There she is. The hood is made out of carbon. Just get you a better look of the hood here. Very light with the lock hood pins. Just gives it an aggressive look. This is no joke. Twin turbo. You're not gonna find hardly any R32s with that setup. If you haven't noticed already, it's got a steel wide body, as you can see. Now this wide body is not a kit. This wide body was actually done by stretching the actual frame of the car and turning it into a wide body. It wasn't a kit that was just slapped on there. The wide body goes all the way around. Now, if you know R32s, the 2004 models, which this one is, usually came with the two mufflers in the back. This one has quads. Two right there. And two right here. Oh, this one's kind of hard to see. Yeah, hiding. There you are. They are all functional. It's a 10 right there. Produces very good noise for what the car is. Recaro seats, racing seats with the racing seat harness. Got the roll cage, as you can see right there. The paint just came out beautifully in this car. It's silver. It's got the FT565 DSG decals all over. High quality. It's got Volkswagen racing wheels. You're not gonna see these often. And just look at the size of those rim, should I say, look at the size of those Brembo brakes. These are probably the biggest Brembo brakes you've ever seen on any vehicle. It's got the same style wheels all around. Toyo tires on the back. And Dunlop tires on the front. Let's go inside real quick. Here you go. Here's the interior. It's got that carbon fiber dash, some pieces, just where the air comes out of. Very, very beautiful. Upgraded system, Pioneer, DSG. The manual that it was originally came from, it couldn't handle the power, so they had to switch it to a DSG, which is perfectly fine. Right there, I got the boost gauge. I installed it there because whenever I just want to hide it from you, you can. Just started her up. This is the 9500i Passport Escort. A really, really good police detector, radar detector. There it is. Now if I wanted to, hold up. I could just move this up, close this up. Bam. Now you see no gauge. Open it back up. You see the gauge. Recaro's racing seats, really nice. This car is just a beauty. She makes quite a bit of noise, as you can hear. There you go. That's what the back looks like, closed. Blacked out tail lights, blacked out front lights. R32. Very beautiful car. Just close her up. She rides flawlessly. She rides like a car just straight out of the factory. Oh. 1 second. Takes 2 hands to close the hood if you want to close it right. Put the lock pins on. And there she is. It's got dual intercoolers. One intercooler in there. And one intercooler in here. Just very aggressive, beautiful car. That's all, folks.